Hey guys,
Yeah.
so what we got going on today, Max?
We got trans and oil cooler and trying to figure out positioning on it, so we'll see where that goes.
Everything mounted up securely. You still got to run the lines for the trans cooler. The oil cooler is actually all routed, and everything's all nice and secure, like nothing's going anywhere. The lines go down. We got to install the sandwich plate adapter on there. We're going to do that now, and just route these over the front frame. So I just got to take out the filter. That way we can put the adapter plate on there. We are going to lose a little bit of oil. You just got to top it off when you're done. You're gonna add roughly about a quart with this setup, maybe more. I can definitely confirm once everything's mounted up. You can see the threads up here. So the adapter housing is gonna go right onto there, and there's an insert that's threaded that's gonna bolt up to that. Like I said, comes with an O-ring, and you have that threaded adapter, so it's gonna go in like that. Torque that down. And then everything's going to seal up, and then you'll have these fittings as well going to the lines. And then you just put your filter on just like you regularly would.
Purchase your tracks today.
So installing the diff, they give you a nice little spot here that you can pry against to get that cover off. All the bolts on there are 14 millimeters, so those come right off. And then we're gonna swap out the stock open diff for a nice QUAIF LSD. It's a helical LSD. So I got the diff installed, got the new ring gear back on, backlash is set. Ready to throw on the cover, throw on some sealant, throw it back in. Just give you guys an overview. So the trans cooler lines go up around the front. You go underneath this piece here, up over the frame rail, and then you remove this line here, which is the one that's on the bottom, and you run that line to the cooler, and then the other line is right up above, right there, where the radiator hose goes. It goes right into there. Alright guys, the Z is completely done. All of the lines are nice and tucked. Oil cooler, trans cooler, everything's all nice and tidy. Looks very, very clean for installation. All the lines, we ended up routing the trans cooler lines through the front, just because the back, it could run into an issue with the condenser. So we got those all zip tied up for brackets and everything. We're on to the bottom. Very, very clean. The diff and everything's back up. Put new diff fluid in it. So should be good to go.